Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some solar spotlights, and right now I'm inside an apartment, so it's going to be tough to really show, but I'm going to explain how they work, and I will be setting them up later and hopefully get a picture up on the top here. So you come with these stakes that will go into the ground. You'll hold it, and each one of these is its own little solar panel and light. So how cool is that? And then it's got the little button on the back. So that's how bright it's going to be. Look, wow, that's ridiculous. That's ridiculously bright. Actually, I'm thinking I'm going to go and stick this out on my patio here. That'll be great. And then it'll just light up my patio at night. How cool is that? I'm going to go give these a try, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at night with it set up. So very cool. It comes with two of them and a bunch of mounting stuff and all. I'm probably just going to mount it up, twist tie it or something like that onto one of the little corners. So super cool. Thumbs up. So as an idea, this is how bright these lights are, these solar ones here at night. So I was going to put them out here shining out at the, let's see, like that, you know, but it's just so bright. Might be a little too bright for this area here. It might be better for a lawn or lighting up a house from outside. This here is just going to keep me up all night. So I'm not sure. We'll figure it out, but they work great. Thumbs up.